What's up, guys? How you doing? This is for BBC. Like you all know, it's been a while now, so I just decided to come up with a very profitable strategy that you can use to make a lot more in forex trading market, and that is the simple moving average 20. Just stay tuned and come along with me as we go through it together. See ya. Welcome back, guys. As you know, our class, our lesson will be based on the simple moving average 20. So just make sure you don't miss out on any of the steps I'm going to be introducing and teaching you right now. So let's start, guys. Right now I'll be picking the Euro USD currency pair as my SMA 20 text. So as you see now, I have my SMA 20 already on my screen, so I'll try and remove it now, and then I will put it back there. Let me remove it now. Okay, delete it now. So I close now. Okay, now guys, let me take you through how you can pick your own simple moving average. So I click on my insert, then I click on my indicators, then I click on my trend. Then after you're going to see moving average here. Yes, this one. I click on it, then wow, my period is already on 20. You make sure in this your period box you put it to 20. Then your MA method, you pick the simple. So pick the simple, apply to, leave it close. Then you pick any color you want, any color actually, depending on the indicators you have on your chart already. So you have to pick a very different color so that you'll be able to identify your SMA 20. So then, okay, here it is now. As you can see, I have a moving average already on my chart. Okay, so let's go through how we can use it to make our profit. So let me start from here now. As you can see, our moving average, our SMA, as you can see, it runs across the candlesticks. As you can see, it runs across our candlesticks, runs upward and runs downward our candlesticks. So how do you know when you are to enter a buy? How do you know when you are to make a buying entry, and how do you know when you are to make a selling entry? Where do you take profits and where do you put your stop loss? All these I'm going to be taking you through it right now. So let's begin. I'll be starting from this point now. So as you can see, yeah, these are SMA running across our candlesticks. As you can see, it goes up this way. Here now goes a little higher, and at this point went down. To this point came up again. So as you can see, we can just say this sounds like a little retracement downward, and at this point it came upward and continues going up. So let's try to know how to make our entry. As we want to make our entry at this point now, as you can see now, you see we are having a morning star pattern at this point now. Let me box it up for you guys. Okay guys, Now I'm going to box this monster up for us now. So I'm picking one of my tools here, which is a rectangle shape. So I want to try and box this up for you now to show you where we actually have our monster leading to the uptrend of the market. Good. As you can see now, guys, so now we have a bearish candlestick. This first candlestick is a bearish candlestick. Our little like hammer shape bearish candlestick also, and we have our bullish candlestick here. So these three candlesticks here now making our morning star and showing us the possibility of the market moving up. So as well, you will notice that these three candlesticks, it happens behind our moving average, and this fourth bullish candlestick serves as a confirmation of our morning star. And these bullish candlesticks, as you can see, the SMA is run across it and giving us another sign, another bullish entry sign that no, this market is actually moving to the upside. So, and as you can see, after this fourth bullish candlestick, now we continuously have a bullish candlestick. As you can see, 1, 2 to the upside, a little rejection of the upside of the uptrend. Then we have a very strong bullish candlestick to the upside, and with this now we can actually make our entry at this point. After our bullish candlestick running across the SMA, we make our entry, we make our buying entry to the upside, and we can actually place our stop loss a little behind this morning star. Then we wait, we continue having our uptrend, just leave it till continue going up. As you can see, it goes up, a little retracement downward, up, just one single bearish candlestick. We have a continuation of our upside, the little retracement downward just behind the SMA. So now we can just make we can actually have leave the market at this point when we have a bullish candlestick running across to the downward side, running across the SMA 20. And then at this point, at the completion of this candlestick, we can secure our profits for the day. We can actually secure our profit for the day. Everything is just based on your own principle, your own daily target, that determines actually when you want to leave the market and if you actually want to remain in this market. So as you can see, after breaking the SMA to the downward side, we still have another morning star, showing us that this shows us that this uptrend is still going to continue. As you can see now, we have our monster again, a little bullish candlestick. Then these are confirmation, the bullish candlestick running across our SMA to the upside, and we have this, now at this point our SMA is behaving like our support. As you can see now, our SMA serves as our support at this point. You see the candlestick consolidating around this area and just sitting on the SMA 20, serving as the support here, and was boom to the upside. We have our bearish candlestick breaking through. At this point we can actually secure our profit also. We can save half and move our stop loss to the entry. So see a very strong bearish candlestick breaking our SMA. At this point we can just keep our eye on the market to look for a perfect entry sign. Wow, I have another perfect morning star now. The perfect morning star over here. Good. This is another perfect morning star we have over here. So we have another perfect morning star over here. Our confirmation is coming very quick at this point. See our bullish candlestick running across the SMA again, giving us an uptrend sign, a bullish sign. Then we have our candlestick consolidating around this area, making this our SMA support. They make this our SMA the support at this point. Our candlestick sitting on our SMA, then boom, we have another bullish market over here. So if you notice now in this market we keep having a bullish trend, an uptrend market. The market just keeps going up. Good. Now we having a resistance at this point. As you can see now, our candlestick they consolidated around this area, and they make our SMA a resistance at this point. And when we have a resistance, what are we expecting when our candlestick is actually hitting our resistance? We are expecting a breakout of the SMA or a rejection of the SMA. And at this point now we have a rejection over here. We have a rejection over here with our evening star. Have a rejection over here. Can you see a rejection over here? And our bearish candlestick breaking our simple moving average to the downward side, and a very strong confirmation of the downtrend. Can you see? Breaks through, a little retracement, serving as a retest of the SMA, boom to the downward side again. Can you see? So, and from there the market keeps retesting the SMA and keeps going down until it got to this point. At this point now we have our morning star again. We have our morning star at this point. Then we have our candlestick sitting on the SMA, showing us that the SMA is serving as a support at this point. And after this we have a boom to the upside. The market keeps going up and up and up. So this is a perfect way that you can make a lot of profit using our SMA. You just need to keep an eye on the SMA and also on the candlesticks, and you won't know when you already make a lot of profit. So I hope with this little we've been able to actually know how we can make a lot of profit using this SMA, which is the simple moving average 20. At the beginning of the class I showed us how we can select our moving average, how we can set it to SMA 20. So if you really don't understand it, just take the video back to the beginning and you will see how you can set your moving average 20. So once again, this moving average is an indicator, is one of the powerful indicator of trends. You have a video suggestion for us, just send us an email. I'll be dropping my email address in my description, so just drop me a message there. I will reply as soon as possible. So stay tuned for more videos from Skills Forex Academy. See you next time. Have a nice day.